Match prop and properties are two very useful commands. So most of the time when we're drawing, we tend to just draw in one layer and then we modify all our layers at the very end. That tends to be a more efficient way of drawings. So rather than changing each layer as we go around, say I'm going to draw in steel, draw a polyline. That's good in theory, but realistically we tend to change the materials at the very end. So to use properties, I can select an object, and if I right click, I can get my dialog box properties. Alternatively, to get the properties dialog box, I can just type PR for properties, return, and there's my dialog box. Okay. To select an object, I just select it, and then I can see all its properties. I can find out what layer it's on, what color it is, and at the moment it's colored by layer. Generally we should keep that colored by layer. What material it is, that's useful for your 3D work, and then the height, etc. of it. Okay, so if I want to deselect an object, I just press escape. I can select another object, find that's out on steel. So if I want to change this individual object to a different layer, I could just select the layer and select a new layer. And that's pretty easy to do. But generally, if I want to modify a bunch of things, say I wanted to change all of these objects so that they were polylines that had a width of 10, like this one, I could just go match prop. I select my source object, and then I select the objects I want to change. And that's usually a really efficient way of changing lots and lots of things. So the advantage with match prop is that it can change multiple items. You know, it can change the width, the layer type, the color, all in one go.